So guys, good afternoon. This is Richard Got Messi. We add value to humanity. So if you are watching this video from our YouTube channel, please kindly subscribe, like and comment under the comment section. Thank you. You can as well share to your friends, to social media platforms, for people to gain from this opportunity as well. So on today of this video, we will be talking about sports trading, how to go about trading the sports market. Yes, in the cryptocurrency space, we have diverse type of trading. We have the sports trading, we have derivative trading, which people also call the futures trading. We have the DeFi and NFT and so many more like that. So today on this video, we'll be talking about the sports trading, and we'll be making use of the Bybit platform to explain that. Yes, I'm talking of sports trading, and we're making use of the Bybit platform to explain that. So, what do we mean by sports trading? Sports trading is where you probably, let's say, invest your money in cryptocurrency, and once the cryptocurrency you invest your money in appreciates in value, automatically your money also will appreciate in value. That's sports trading in a local man language. Once you invest, it's just you investing in a particular coin, and once the coin appreciates in value, you will make money automatically. Your money to appreciate. Let's assume you bought what can we use to as for an example. Okay, let's assume you bought a car today for 100,000 naira. We are making use of that as an example. You bought a car today 100,000 naira, and probably tomorrow, in 2 days time, in 3 days time, in 1 week, in 1 month, in few months, in 1 year, that car that you bought 100,000 naira my appreciating value and might be worth, let's assume, for example, let's assume 200,000 naira. How you getting it? You bought something 100,000 naira, and probably in few days, months, weeks, year, it's now worth 200,000 naira, and you decide to sell. That means automatically you've made. Let's continue. So automatically you've make 100,000 naira profit. Are you getting it? So that's that. But let's assume you bought the car 100,000, and let's assume the car probably in few days, in few weeks, in few months, that car is now worth 50,000 naira. That means automatically you are losing 50,000 naira. Are you getting it? But probably if you did not sell the coin must still appreciate in value back to 100,000 and even more than. So when it comes to spot trading, you will make money when the particular coin is appreciating in value. Are you getting it? You can only make money in the spot trading when a particular coin is appreciating in value. And how can you know the coin to invest in? How can you know the coin you want to trade? Are you getting it? So once you have your money deposited into your account, I have my money here in the derivatives. That means I'll have to transfer it to my spot. Are you getting it? You can see from derivative to spot. Then I'll click on USDT because that's what I have. USDT. Then I'll click on max. I want to transfer everything. Then I'll click on confirm. Automatically the money from my derivative account will go to my spot account. You can see it's now in my spot. Now I can place trade. Are you getting it? So how can you know the coin to buy? Either through your fundamental analysis, through your technical analysis, or through sentimental analysis. What do I mean by all those things? What do I mean by that? What do I mean by fundamental analysis is when you are trading the cryptocurrency markets with the news that is going on in the cryptocurrency space. Are you getting it? There are news which are bullish news, and there are news which are forward news, that's fear of uncertainty news and all that. So with the news that is happening that you are hearing here and there, can make you to invest in a particular currency. Let's assume now in Nigeria now. Let's assume now they said, okay, Nigeria, okay, Dangote will be accepting Dogecoin as a form of payments for our product and everything. Imagine if every one of us can use our Dogecoin to make payments for Dangote products. That means that news is going to skyrocket the price of Dogecoin. Are you getting it? So that's literally what fundamental analysis is. You are using news to trade in particular cryptocurrency. And when we are talking about technical analysis is when you are making use of the chart of that particular cryptocurrency to trade it. That means you are using the past data of that cryptocurrency to trade the future, to predict the future of that coin, whether it's going to appreciate in value. Are you getting it? Let's make use of Doge coin. Okay, this is it. So this is the price of Doge. You can change the time frame to 1 day or even more. Let's make it bigger. You can change it to 1 month, or let's change it to week 1 week. Are you getting it? So look at, if for 1 week now, this is the chart. From here, from where Dogecoin comes into existence, it has been dipping just because of the bear season and all. You can see it's dipping. Now the current price of Doge is 0. You can see it here. This is the current price of Doge. Are you seeing it? It's also here also. Those are the current price of Doge. That's 0.08392. And probably once you've analyzed, technical analysis is another training entirely, It's not something you learn for 1 day, 1 month or something. It's a continuous process, it's a continuous learning. So we'll not be doing that in the course of this video. Are you getting it? So it's just you analyzing the market with these charts we are looking at, the past data, and using it to predict the next move of the coin. So you can either trade the cryptocurrency through the fundamental news or technical analysis or sentimental analysis. What do I mean by sentimental analysis? What people are saying around you. Probably you're walking around and this person is saying, Doge is going to pump. Another person, you hear Doge is going to pump. Third person, you hear Doge is going to pump. Are you getting it? So you hearing 3 people saying Doge is going to pump, then you now decided to buy Doge just because 3 people has already said Doge is going to pump. So that's sentimental analysis. So you can trade cryptocurrency market with those 3 ways. Are you getting it? But because of the video, we'll not be going deep into technical analysis and all. And also you can also trade the sports market with signals. With trading signals. Yes, if you cannot be doing all those kind of stressful work like a fundamental technical analysis, sitting down with the charts, there are some people who provide signals for people to trade. Are you getting it? I also have a signal group, though it's not free. I have a signal group, so that's that for that. So let's proceed. So let's now assume we are making use of Doge. Doge tree is one of the cryptocurrency out there. So let's assume you want to trade Doge. Are you getting it? So probably they've told you Doge is going to increase in value and all that. Then once you search for, you can, from the market here, you can search for Doge. You just click on Doge. Are you getting it? You can see Doge USDT perpetual under it. Doge USDT spot. You are trading spot, so you click on Doge USDT spot. What it simply means is that you are using your USDT to buy Doge. You are using your USDT to buy Doge. Are you getting it? If you are using your USDT to buy Doge, so now once you are here, now you are in the buy aspect, you can just put it on market. If you put it on market, that means it's going to execute your trade immediately. But if it is the limit, this limit is just trying to say, okay, you can see one figure below, 0.08388. That means when the price of Doge is at this price, that's when it's going to execute your buy trading. But if you put it in market, immediately you click on buy Doge, it's going to buy immediately. Are you getting it? So that's that. So look at this yellow button. Let me draw it. This one, this yellow button, sorry, this one, can you see it? So it's used to adjust the money, the price you want to use in buying Doge. Let's assume you drag it down. Sorry, you drag it down. That was 100%. That's 100%, that means you are using all your capital, all your USDT to buy Doge. Let's assume you have $100 inside your account and you want to buy Doge with just 50%. That means you have to drag this to the middle, which is 50%. Are you seeing it? Which is 50%. And in this USDT, you can also make use of this place and click on 50. That's if you are using half of your capital to buy. That's if you have $100 and you want to use $50 to buy Dodge. Are you getting it? And you can just make use of this button and be dragging, drag down. So if you put it on 25, that means you are using quarter of your account to buy. If you put it on 75, that means you are using half and quarter to buy particular Dodge. Are you getting it? So that's just it. So let me see, I'm using everything to buy. In the course of this video, I just want to show you. So you click on buy Dodge. So once I click on buy Dodge, automatically my trade will open. If you go to my sports, you will not see it. Dodge I will not have. You can see I have Dodge. I have 173 Dodge, which is 14.53. So if Dodge is appreciating in value, my money too will be appreciating in value. If Dodge is appreciating in value, this my $14 will turn to 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 and the like. Are you getting it? So if I want to, let's assume my Dodge has appreciated in value from my $14 to like $25, and I want to sell off the Dodge. I just need to go to the trading aspect again. You can see Dodge USDT, then you go to sell. So once you go to sell, all you just need to do is just to drag this to 100%. Anytime you are selling, you drag it to 100%. That means you want to sell all the Dodge away. And if you want to sell half of the Dodge you have, you can simply put it to 50% as well, or 25, like that. But me, I want to sell everything. I will drag it to 100%. I getting it. I'll put it in market, but I want it to execute immediately. Then what? I'll click on sell Dodge. So once I click on sell Dodge, immediately it will close me out of the trade, and my money and my profits will come back in USDT and will go to my account. If you go and check your spot trading now, you see my money in USDT. You can see now. I'm coming. So my money will come back in USDT. Change the network. Okay, it's now in USDT. You can see. So your money and your profit, everything is going to come back in USDT. Are you seeing it? So that's concerning. That's how to place trade on the spot. Something that's how to place trade. Sure you understand? You can see. So that's that for that. That's how for that. So that's how to place trade. Okay. Also, after you you buy Dodge and everything. Sure you understand? For your trade. Are you getting it? If you want to play take profit and stop loss, because in your, let's assume you are trading with signal. Let me show you an example of a signal. Sorry, okay, this is an example. Okay, deleted it. Okay, I'm coming. Okay, this is an example of a signal. You can see. So a signal is going to tell you the coin you are to buy. It's going to tell you the amount you have to buy, the selling target, and your stop recommended. That's your stop loss. Your selling target is your take profit. So let's now assume you want to set it. So you can just click on this market. You see TP and SL. You can see this is your take profit and this is your stop loss. So here is your take profit. Are you getting it? Your take profit, they'll give you the figure in the signal. So you type it here. So once you put it here, it will show here. Are you getting it? It will show your content. You can drag it 100% because everything you want to send something. So you click on this buy something. So it's going to set you your take profit and your stop loss. That means once price moves from the where you bought Dodge to this certain place you've set, Dodge is going to appreciate in value. Is going to the trade is going to close. Are you getting it? It's going to close you out of the trade. So if it is stop loss too, once you put the stop loss, you put the figure here too. Once you put the figure, then you drag this to 100%. Then you click on this same buy Dodge. So you set your stop loss and your take profit from the Dodge. If it gets to your take profit, it will close you out of this trade with your profit. But if it gets to your stop loss, it will close you out of the trade with your loss. So that's literally how to trade the spot market. So if you have any question, try as much as possible to reach me. I will attend to them. Thank you very much. Thanks for choosing to learn from me. Love you.